Today we have a colorful, NVIDIA GT 1032GB DDR5 low-profile GPU, that was purchased off of eBay. The seller stated the card was used, with little signs of use. Let's do an unboxing and initial inspection. The bag is extremely light and it's hard to distinguish if there is a graphics card inside. It must be small, or perhaps it's broken, or maybe it's just a bag full of tissue paper. Let's find out. At first glance it is extremely clean, there are no signs of dust or residue, and the fan spins freely. Next, we will test performance, temperature, and fan noise.